Now that we have a user account set up, we can go ahead and log in as that new user. And to get started, we'll go to Search and Reporting. Again, we'll be prompted with a tour since we're logged in as a different user. I'll just say skip. This is the default search pane when you're going to search directly. When we added data, it took us to a preloaded search specific to that data, but this is what you'd normally see. So let's start with a pretty simple search. We'll just enter HTTP. You can see it tries to autocomplete with some things that's pulled out of the data, but we'll just leave this the way it is for now and click the magnifying glass on the right to perform the search. As you can see, it's loaded some data already from our example files. And if you're familiar with web servers, this might look familiar to you. There's a lot going on in these logs, but it's mostly the IP address, date stamp, what the user was trying to do. There's an error code and a few other things. We can adjust the time here, and we'll go in depth into this a little later on. But we might look at just the last 15 minutes to get a more fine-grained look at our data. You might notice on the left that there are a lot of different fields that it's extracted from our data. There's a lot of power in this interface, but I think it's important to note that just a simple keyword search like this can often get us pretty close to what we need without having to add a lot of complex syntax.